This is part of my live training videos. This is on a Doosan 220. It's a CNC lathe, 2-axis lathe. Really nice little machine. It's got a Fanuc I-series control on it. It's a very basic Fanuc. So enjoy the video. So when we're calling in a program, we're going program and directory. The directory is all the programs that are in the machine, and this alpha sign or @ sign is the program that's actually active. That means that if we press run or we press edit, in edit that will be the program that we edit, and in run it will be the program that we run. And we can change that by letter O, number 1 will find program number 1. So then when I press my arrow, goes to program number 1. If I just press letter O and that cursor, it will scan through the programs. So I'm pressing O and search. And remember, letter O is used for programs. And what we say in a basic sense is it's the only time we use the letter O. There are exceptions, but for basics, we're going to say we only use the letter O for a program. Not to be confused with the number 0. So to search for a program, we can also use this O search. So if I went program 4 and then O search, that will actually find program 4. You don't even need to put the letter O in there then, which is another way of doing it. So we can quickly find an O number from there. But the easiest way really is to just type in the number, program 1, and press this lower cursor or downward pointing arrow. It doesn't, it works with the upward arrow as well. Didn't know that. Well, probably did, but forgot. O4, arrow up, search for it. So that's how we search for programs and we make a program active. Now I'm doing that in the run mode, but it's exactly the same, or memory mode, whatever you call it. In edit mode, it's exactly the same. I can do it from this screen as well. So you see it switch and it goes there. So if I'm in the directory screen, I can go O4, lower arrow, and it changes to 4. So that works the same as well.